best workout? Idol, anong best diet? Magandang tanong yan. Ang sagot, ano yung best para sa'yo? Kasi kanya-kanya katawan natin. Parang personality, we're all unique. So, ano yung gagawin mo pasok sa lifestyle mo consistent? Kasi kung magka-crash diet ka, fasting, hindi mo naman kaya, the moment bumalik ka sa dating pagkain mo, magre-rebound effect, mas magigain tayo ng weight. Tapos iba yung training ng CrossFit, iba yung training ng bodybuilding, iba yung fit lang, iba yung for athletic performance, iba yung functional training. Lahat sila may kanya-kanyang purpose. Hahanapin mo lang, do what works for you. Tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor. So yun lang yan. Consistency is key. Hindi porket may six-pack abs, healthy. Hindi porket medyo overweight ng konti, unhealthy. May ano yan malalaman nyo pag nagpaano na kayo sa doktor, nagpa-check up, lahat-lahat, diba, organ check-up, ganyan, sa lifestyle nyo. At mahalagang stress-free tayo. Tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor, do what works for you.